When we started preparing our content for this year's Qlik Connect, I accidentally stumbled upon a chess game that our team had built already a few months ago, and I never really saw it. So I thought, wow, this is awesome. This really shows what you can do with Qlik. And you can maybe recognize on the right side, this is our live chat feature that we also use in our cost center planning. And this is a fully functional chess game. So you can see that you can move all the pieces around. You can play chess exactly like you're used to. So I think this is a great way to show your colleagues what is possible within Qlik. But it doesn't stop there. Of course, you also can see our virtual factory. So if you want to see your shop floor in Qlik, and you want to jump to a machine, open the machine logbook to see all the latest errors that have happened, and take action right on your machine right there. You can do that in Qlik. You can do your financial planning in Qlik, where you can easily collect all the feedback from the colleagues, what they think, which cost center is going to have which costs in your next financial year. You can do your sales planning in Qlik for different modules and different regions, where you can easily combine the analysis with the planning for certain regions. You can do your quality inspection in Qlik, where you can see what damages have happened in the past, and you can add a new one simply by adding the mistakes directly on the part that you are currently controlling. And you will jump right back to the analysis, where you can see that the mistakes that you have just added are added to the Qlik app. And you can see all of this at Qlik Connect, of course, as well as on our brand new demo space that we have created on our tenant. So if you want to have a look at all of these apps, simply click the link in the description. Also, if you have any ideas of content that you want to see at Qlik Connect, please let us know in the comments. We will be happy to work on it for free. So you can win a free consulting project from Leitart for Qlik and Data Plus. If you have the best idea, just let us know in the comments, and we will create an app just for you that we will showcase together at Qlik Connect. So if you can't wait, just like us, to experience the magic of Disney at Qlik Connect this year, we look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.